Hey YouTube, this is NJ4Water5, and yep, I have not done a video in probably a good 5 weeks, 6 weeks. I've got videos to edit, just been kind of feeling under the weather. Not had too much of a good run of luck the past couple months, starting off with my computer and now my health. You know, for some of you guys that don't know, I've got, you know, some health problems here and there, and sometimes they kind of catch up to me and they kind of keep me floored for a little while. I'm still a little ill. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up and let everybody know that I'm still alive. I've still got videos to do. I've still got piles of projects just stacking up on me as I'm trying to get myself back to health. I just wanted to, like I said, give everybody a quick heads up, let everybody know that I'm still alive, I'm still kicking. I check my messages from time to time, so if I missed your message, you know, please try again. I'll promise I will get back to you. I've been trying to go through all my messages as you know, as I have a chance. I'll try to go through the Facebook. I'll try to go through my Twitter, you know, all that other good stuff, you know, Google. Sometimes I miss some because I get a lot of emails from a lot of weird places. So anyways, I kind of feel sort of good today. I got these Boston cells in from a friend of mine that I plan on you know, kind of showing off what he's given me lately, and I think I might direct you to his site in this video. So if you're looking for some cheap batteries, very good batteries, mind you, that it's from a kid. He doesn't know too much about batteries, but he knows enough to get him by. He gets batteries from, I believe it's his parents, it might be, and he kind of sells them. He actually does it because he's got like a battle bot or something like that he kind of, you know, needs the money for. He needs it for batteries. You know, those things can be kind of expensive, and he's probably, I think he's around 17, maybe 16. He's kind of young, and he's selling batteries to us, you know, YouTubers and Facebookers, and those of us that know him have gotten lucky. We chatted about it, and I told him that I would introduce him to anybody that knows me. But he has Boston cells, he has these types of cells, and when he gets them, they go pretty quick, but it's first come first serve. He normally sells them for around 35 to 75 cents a cell, depending on what type they are. And so far, most cells that I've gotten from him have been up to par. I'm talking pretty close to 80 to 90%, you know, perfect. I believe they're medical packs that he's selling. I'm not 100% sure. One of the stipulations of him selling the batteries was getting rid of the labeling. They look like medical packs, but you know, I don't really know medical packs all that great, but I'll leave his link in the description. He's got a Facebook page. I'll make sure to leave that in the description. And if you guys are needing any kind of batteries, you might want to hit the kid up. I have tons of projects right now. I got these Boston cells from him. I'm gonna go ahead and try to test them. You know, I've never tested Boston cells before. With the multimeter, I figured out that this is negative and this is positive, and it actually looks like it should fit in most of my chargers, I'm hoping. If not, I'm gonna have to rig something up, but I'm gonna go ahead and test these while I rest. You know, testing cells is nothing, especially when you have a lot of resting, and you know, come over here and check on them every now and then. I've got this circuit board that I made. I was gonna purchase them. I've got a bunch of these super capacitors, the 350 from Maxwell. I was gonna buy these online, but people wanted 40 bucks, so I just went ahead and designed my own board. I designed my own board, and I made sure to, I've got two protection circuits. No, it's not protection circuits, I've got two balancing circuits. One of them has an LED and it tells you whenever it's charged, and the other one makes sure that it doesn't go past 2.7 volts. I'm sure that you could probably get a smaller Zener diode if you're somebody who likes to keep your capacitors at around 2.5 volts, but I chose 2.7 because 2.7 was the max on the capacitor. But this is going to be another one of my famous tab welders. This one's gonna be my second capacitor welder. I've got my power wall still. More likely that won't get wrapped up to the end of the year because I plan on buying myself a better BMS system, watch mod. So I'd like to go with a watch mod. I decided after a while that a watch mod seemed like the safer and the better way to go, so I'm gonna go with watch mod. Until then, I'm gonna keep saving my batteries, getting ready for my power wall, and then at the end of the year when I get my watch mod, I'll be able to throw it all together. What else do I have going on? Man, I got all kinds of stuff going on. I've got Jehu's boards. I plan on doing them probably before my capacitors. I'm not really certain just yet because I really need a tab welder. But well, I really need this tab welder. I've been dying to get this one done. But I also need to do the boards. I've talked with a few guys up in I believe it's Germany. They've already started their boards, and it looks like he's having pretty good luck with them. I think he said he had 3K of them done, and he's using a 1K inverter. Got a funny message from him a couple days ago. I guess he was at a wine fest. It was kind of funny. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys a heads up, let you guys know I'm still around and kicking. I've got all kinds of stuff to do. Right now I'm just gonna, I guess, try to see if these will work in these chargers. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm also doing this video without no kind of cutting. I'm sure I'm gonna cut words out, but I mean, this is all gonna be done in one shot, or at least until my camera says I have no more room, and that's happened to me multiple occasions. Okay, so what I've noticed with these, it looks like the little dot on the bottom is the negative, and of course the top is a positive, so I'm assuming that these will fit right in my Opus. So I'm going to do it in the Opus that shows on the camera the best, and I still got the fan mods to do in those too. So let's see if this works. Looks like it. Let's try load. I think it was charge test and then current at 1000. And I'm assuming because of the type of battery it is that it's going to take twice as long. They say 5300s on there, so I'm guessing 2650s by 2. I've seen somebody rip these apart once, and when he ripped them apart, there was not 2 batteries in here. It was actually one oval sized battery, but they just look like there's 2 batteries in here, and there's not. Alright, so let's do this right. There's actually a minus and a plus on there. I didn't even notice that till just now. Crazy. Alright, well, let's load this sucker up, see what I can do. And that's it. I've never tested these types of cells, so these are all kind of new to me. I'm kind of glad there's really going to be no modifying to test them. Every cell I got from him, I ended up with, I guess he can only fit 5 of these in a box due to some kind of weight limit. I guess that UPS has on him, some kind of restriction he has. So you can only fit 5 in a box. I think sometimes he can fit 6. They have him double box, so I'm not really sure what's up with all that. They have him do a lot of crazy stuff, which is kind of weird, but these were all testing at around 3.6. So I'm hoping that they remain at around 3.6. And I'm guessing since the 5300s that 1 amp discharge and charge should be plenty. It should be probably slow going. If I had to guess, one set of these are going to take all day to test. But yeah, that's basically it. You know what? I know what I can do. Okay, so I know what I could do. I was sitting there thinking about it, and this is something I was wanting to do before, you know, I got sick and all that good junk. But I'm gonna do a little giveaway. Just right now, just a little giveaway. I'll figure out more later as I go along. I know I have other stuff I wanted to give away. This ain't really that much for now, but it should get the ball rolling. Anyways, what I want to give away is I want to give away this brand new UM25C tester. It's a USB tester. I've only opened it up to make sure everything was correct inside. I have not tested it. We'll leave that up to you. If there's any problems with it, I know the guy that makes these. All you have to do is let me know, and I'm sure he'd be glad to replace it. It has not been used yet, and I will leave it in here. And with it, I will give away together a USB load resistor. I believe this is just a 1 and a 2, a 1 gig and a 2 gig for 0.5 or 5 volts. So I'll give these together as one of the giveaways, and I'll give away this cheap CellMeter 7. This ain't really nothing major, doesn't really do too much, but it does actually balance your cells in a roundabout way. This one, you actually press the type C and hold it down, it balances the cells. It's basically just a checker and a little, like, you know, balancer for up to 7S. To get this or this, you have to make sure to like the video and drop a comment below about what you would like to see me do next. If you guys have any suggestions whatsoever, or maybe you just want to comment, just any kind of comment. I would rather see a comment on what you'd like me to do, because that could help me out. But just leave a comment below and like the video, and this will enter you in a chance to win this, with this, or this. And on top of this, I will also give away $50 gift card. So I'll give away a $50 gift card, or I can just send it to your PayPal. We'll figure it out once you win. I'm gonna try to get better soon. I'll try to do an update video soon. I like to hopefully do a video on who won this. That might be a good video to do. So we'll do an update video. See, I'm kind of stumbling my words right now. I'm still kind of, you know, trying to get my daily intake of vitamins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away a $50 gift card, the UM25C with this load resistor tester, a CellMeter 7. So $50 gift card and this are not together, but that's 3 separate giveaways. Like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and leave a comment below. And if you're subscribed, you leave a comment and you like the video, it will enter you in a chance to win one of the 3 items I'm liking to give away. So I like to tell, you know, all you guys that are following me, and any of you guys that watch my videos, I really appreciate it. I haven't hit that 1,000 mark yet, but I'm pushing real hard, and hopefully as soon as I get better, you know, I can drop some more videos. I do have videos to edit. As I'm back at home, I plan on trying to edit, you know, when I'm feeling kind of down, you know, because I can actually set my laptop on my lap and kind of do what I need to do. So I'll probably edit some of my older videos. I'll make sure to let you guys know they're older videos. But for now, this is just me telling you guys I'm still alive, still kicking, I'm still good to go. I can't wait to get back in there. I've wrote some of the people I follow a few comments telling them, you know, hey, I'm kind of feeling ill, you know, but I can't wait to be back. Miss all my friends over there on Facebook. We have a lot of fun over there on the on Jehu's site and DIY Powerwall site. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section, and make sure you like subscribe if you're not, and share the video if you guys could. Hey, you know what? We'll throw share on top of it. Like, subscribe, share, comment. That'll get you a chance to win the $50 gift card, the UM25C with the USB load resistor, 1 and 2 amps, I believe it is. CellMeter 7, so that's 3 prizes. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will check you guys out in my next video.